This chair mat for carpet is the perfect solution if you need to use a rolling chair in a room with carpet. It grips onto the carpet nice and easy. It's nice and heavy duty. It comes rolled up, but it flattens really, really easily. And it's perfect for that rolling chair in a carpeted room. You can use it on any type of carpet, and it grips it nice and easily so that it's not going to slide on top of the carpeted floor. It has little grips that grip right into the carpet to help it so that it doesn't move on that floor. As you can see, it's nice and clear, so you can see the carpet in between or underneath it. So it's not very obvious visually that it's there until you look closer. My daughter got this one to go beneath her gaming chair because she was having issues rolling it over the carpet in her room, and she absolutely loves it. It was the perfect solution, and her chair now rolls on it really nice and easily compared to what it was with the carpet. Hers is 30 inches by 48 inches. It's also available in larger sizes as well. She's been using this one for a few months and she's very happy with it. She loves the fact that she can now roll her chair over top of the carpet without it getting dug into the carpet and restricting her movement.